Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a 3D text slamming with a dust effect very easy in After Effects. First of all, let's click on Track Camera, then expand Advanced and check Detailed Analysis. As the analyzing is done, select some points, then right-click and select Set Ground Plane and Origin. Right-click again and select Create Solid and Camera. Now grab a text tool and type anything you want. Now enable 3D on a text layer, then press S on your keyboard and scale the text. Correct position and rotation of the text until you'll be satisfied with it. Once you are done and happy with the text, we should change 3D renderer from Classic to Advanced 3D, otherwise you won't be able to make it look 3D. Click here on Classic 3D and change it to Advanced. Now expand text settings, then expand geometry options and slightly increase extrusion depth. In my case 10 is enough. In case if you want to change color of the text, make sure to select the text with a text tool, then go down to text settings here and click on fill, then change the color. Now let's add some glow on a text, but if we simply apply any effect on a text it won't be affected, because we changed 3D renderer to Advanced, and now let me show you how to fix it easily. Right-click on your text and pre-compose it, make sure Move All Attributes and Adjust Composition Duration is selected and then rename it to whatever you want and hit OK. Now the text has disappeared, don't worry, and simply click here, that's it, and now feel free to apply any effect on your text. In case if you don't have a deep glow plugin, feel free to DM me on Instagram a word, plugins, then wait for my reply. I promise you will be happy with my message. Now move your text above Track Solid and then toggle off Track Solid layer. Now let's scroll forward where you want text slamming effect to start from and then press P on your keyboard. Click on Position Stopwatch icon to create a keyframe, then let's move text position all the way up. Now let's scroll forward where you want the text to slam, then right-click on Position and select Reset. Select both keyframes and hit F9 on your keyboard to easy ease them. Then go to Graph Editor, right-click here and select Edit Speed Graph. Now make a curve like mine. Let's close Graph Editor and check the slamming effect. Looks cool to me. Let's add some dust or a smoke effect once the text hits the ground. I will drag and drop smoke footage. Check this video's description to download it for free. Move that smoke layer right there where the text is fully on the ground to sync the timing. Then make sure to enable 3D on smoke layer. And now I will toggle on Track Solid layer and fix the smoke's position and rotation. Rotate and reposition the smoke until you will be satisfied with it, but make sure the smoke is not too far from the Track Solid, otherwise it won't be tracked perfectly. Once you are happy and everything is cool, you can toggle off Track Solid and let's check the effect. The smoke is too slow for me, let's speed it up a bit. Right-click on Smoke Layer, go to Time and select Time Stretch. I will change Stretch Factor to 40 and hit OK. Let's check it again. That's better, I guess. Let's scroll to the moment where the text is fully on the ground and then drag Smoke Layer forward or backward until the timing is perfect. Nice. Let's add some shakes now. I will skip shakes part because I have made too much shake tutorials. Also I have made 16 unique shake presets that you can get from the link in description. Check how it looks like with my shake presets. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.